Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the contact details currently tied to your Roblox account and gathering proof. This speeds verification. Provide your exact username and any recent login dates, and collect receipts for Robux or membership purchases because they prove ownership. If you remember the linked email or phone, try password reset first. Otherwise, prepare to contact support. Once done, draft a brief, factual message with your account details so support can quickly match records and move to identity checks. Next, open the support form and pick the right category, account hacked or account help, because accurate selection routes your ticket faster. Attach clear screenshots of purchase emails, transaction ID or bank statements, and if asked, a photo ID, redact non-essential details. In the message, describe a short timeline. When you lost access, what recovery steps you tried, and any suspicious changes. This helps investigators reconstruct the incident and prioritize restoration based on proof and risk. Finally, follow support's verification steps quickly. Respond to follow-up requests within 24-48 hours to prevent delays. Once access is restored, immediately change passwords on the account and any linked email, enable two-factor authentication if available, and review recent transactions. If your request is denied, ask support to escalate and resubmit additional proof, such as multiple purchase receipts or detailed account creation info, to strengthen the case. Tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.